In this session, let us learn about random permutations. Random permutations of elements. A permutation refers to an arrangement of elements. Example 3 to 1 is a permutation of 1 to 3 and vice versa. The NumPy random module provides two methods for this: shuffle and permutation methods. Shuffling arrays. Shuffle means changing arrangement of elements in place. This is in the array itself. Example, randomly shuffle elements of following arrows. See here, while we execute this code by using shuffle array, the result returns this 4, 3, 2, 5, 1. The shuffle method makes change to the original array. Generating permutations of arrays. Generate a random permutation of elements for following arrays. See, by using print random permutation array, the result returns this 2, 5, 4, 1, 3. See here, the permutation method returns a rearranged array and leaves the original array unchanged. Okay friends, this is the end of part 18 random permutation. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Seaborn module. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.